Okay, so now we are more familiar with the Unreal Engine interface, so now we can import an interior and an object we would like to render in it. So I've made my interior space, which is a garage unit, in Rhino, but you could do it in any 3D software which you're comfortable with, and you just have to export it into an FBX or an OBJ file. Before you do that, the most important thing is that you need to explode all the objects in the interior space into different groups and assign them different colors for materials, so that when you import it in Unreal and you drag and drop the materials, it's just easier. For example, this wall, the outer wall of this interior would have a different texture and a different material than the interior of the wall. I've exploded it and given it a different material, and now when I see the rendered view, you would see these different colors which signify different materials, and now it would be easier for me to import it in Unreal and just drag and drop, and whichever part has the same color would be assigned the same material, and it just makes my life easier. So now you select it all and export it into an OBJ or an FBX, but make sure that it is in centimeter scale, because Unreal works with centimeters, and if you import feet or an inches model, it would just scale it in a weird way, and then the lighting and the shadows would all be like off, and off as in like it will be big or it will be too small, and it will just make your life worse. So just convert it into centimeters and then import it. In the next section I will show you how we would set up grass and plains, a little bit of things like trees, and then we would import this model.